So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description. Now once we're here, we're going to scroll down and then click on download now. And then click on no thanks, I'll continue downloading, restore Windows Photo Viewer. And then click on download now again. It's now going to start downloading. Now we're going to click on this. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to click on next. And now you want to choose where you want to install it to. I'm just going to keep on the default. Click on next. And then click on next again. And if you want to make a desktop icon, it's up to you. Click on next. And then click on install. And we can now launch it. So click on finish. And then once you're on this, you want to select restore Windows Photo Viewer. And then click on OK. And then once this comes up, we're just going to close out of this. Close out of this as well. And then click on no. Now we're going to head over to search and type in default apps. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then select photos. Now you want to select Windows Photo Viewer. And then that's how you do it.